Did you all notice the new update on WhatsApp? The update is, if you hold any message, you can react to it. Pretty cool, right? So now let us move to today's video. This is part 2 of Instander different features. We will be enabling more amazing settings in Instander. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first setting allows you to reshare the story mentioned in curved edges like iPhone does. To enable this feature, press and hold the home icon, then select Modify Quick Experiment Settings. Then search for Reshare Sticker. And enable the first option. And restart the app. You will have it. The next setting allows you to pin highlight in your profile. To enable it as feature, press and hold the home icon, then select Modify Quick Experiment Settings. Oh, I'm tired of repeating this. So can you memorize what to do? Cause I'm not going to tell you this next time. So, on Experimental Settings, search for Highlight Pinning and enable it. The searching is sensitive, so make sure to type all characters in lowercase and spell them correctly. Then restart the app and you will have it. This setting lets you mute and unmute stories right over here. To get it, go to Experimental Settings, you know how, isn't it? Then search for Stories Audio Toggle and enable it. Then you still know what to do? Just like this video and subscribe. Now by enabling this option, you will have an archive button in your profile. To get it, go to Experimental Settings. Then search for Archive v2 and enable it. Then restart the app, you'll have it. I know many of you are waiting for an update. And yes, we are bringing an update where you can reply, react, use theme vanish mode, story like, and many more. And sorry for the late upload. Actually, I was busy finding updates. Okay. Hopefully this video is also helpful for you. If it is, then like the video and comment your opinion. Thank you very much for watching.